What is SSO and is it really safe? If you are a Google, Microsoft, or Apple customer, you are used to log in once to access every app from the provider. For example, if you are using Gmail, you do not need to log in separately for Google Drive. Singly saying in normally written SSO aims to make life easier, but how does it work? What is SSO from the user side? Singly saying on it is pretty simply using into one service and all related services unlock for you to so enter your into your Windows laptop, and all of Microsoft services are open to you. Some companies like Google or Facebook even let you use your to log into other services that are directly related, not through that you do not confuse SSO with password managers. SSO replaces your more or less, while password managers keep your credentials in place but log you in automatically. How does SSO work? Normally, every services you use that requires you to log in while have a separate set of usually a username or email address and a password. When using SSO, your main service, let's call it site A, will replace another services site B set off with what's called a token, a small digital information set. Next time you log into site B, instead of typing in your username and password, instead site as a token will log in for you. It all happens behind the scenes and is seamless. As a user, all you see it is that you have one less step to complete. This sharing of token is sometimes referred to as a identity. Under the Odo SSO works in a few different ways. It's offered as a service by other companies like by Okta, so you can quickly set it up without having to deal too much with the teach. Alternatively, if somebody in an organization is safe enough, SSO can be set up through protocols like or SAMS, which powers and services like it. In a way, everybody use SSO in some form or another, including you. All big teach firms use it to make sure customer can access all their different services smoothly without needing to constantly re-enter password. Google, Microsoft, the list goes on. If you are working in a large corporation, chances are you use SSO too, as many companies like to use SSO on internal network to make sure stuff can switch smoothly between application. At first glance, there are many downsides to using SSO. After all, who does not like seamless switching between apps? However, when using SSO, you are reducing your security to a single point of failure, where there are many different password and tracker would have to crack. No, there's only one.